Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Nova 10 SE and I'm gonna show you how to record the screen on this phone. Let's start by opening the control panel on our phone. To open the control panel on this phone, you need to swipe down from the top right side of the screen, like this. And once you open the control panel, swipe down on this list of icons to open the whole list. And here you should see the screen recorder icon. Tap on it. And once you tap on it, you will see that the recording started. You will see the length of the recording. You can also tap on the mic icon to enable the microphone or disable the microphone. And once you're done recording the screen, you can simply tap on the stop button to stop the recording and save it. And you can then tap on the preview to play it. And once you tap on it, like this. Also, you can start the recording by knocking on the screen with two knuckles. So if we do this or twice, like this, it's gonna start the recording, like that. And we can, I believe, knock again to stop it. Oh no, I think we need to actually tap on the button anyway to stop it. But you can start the recording by simply double knocking with two knuckles on the screen. And also you can open the gallery to check your recordings. Basically you can go to albums, videos, and here you have the list of the recordings you took. Okay. And that's how you record the screen on this phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.